Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to create categories here in Shopify. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Shopify, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Creating categories on Shopify is a straightforward process because categories helps customers easily find products based on their preferences or needs. Without categories, browsing through a large inventory can be overwhelming, leading to poor user experience and higher bounce rates. Now, I want you to hover to the left side panel of your dashboards and go to the collections because here we need to create our first category, and by default you're gonna be able to see a homepage option. We don't want it, all right? So let's delete that collection for now. If you do that, what will happen is, all right, for us to group our products into categories, we need to use collections to organize your products into categories and galleries from your online store or our online store. And let's click the create collection button here. And the title is gonna be maybe deep laughs categories, right? Now for the small description, I'm gonna put in something like this. Change the color to red, underline, center, and I'm going to add something like a small image or product image. Now after adding the image, I'm gonna click on save, all right, so to create my first collection. After that, I'm going to the collections again. And if you wanted to, of course, add another collection here, you might want to click on this create collection button again. Of course, do the same thing all over again. All right. Now, the thing is, as you can see in my one of my collection, it doesn't have any product on it. All right. And for you to add a product, all you have to do is go to the products. For example, this one, click the box here. There's going to be a 3 dots on the upper right corner. Click the more actions. And of course, you can simply add to collections. All right. Doing so, it will organize your collections, allowing customers to filter through product types. For example, if your store sells clothing, electronics, accessories efficiently. All right. And from here, all I have to do is click that and click on save. And that's how you add product categories here in Shopify. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.